Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we are diving into an important topic in networking, VLAN or virtual local area network. So before we start, topology. I have one topology for all of you to think about it. Imagine that if you have three buildings, building 1, building 2, and building 3. If everyone all three building building 1, building 2, building 3 use the same network and all traffic is going through the same path. What is happening? So you can think that it will be congested, slow and hard to manage the network in our department. So what is the solution? By meeting this problem, our developer create a VLAN on the switch. So VLAN will help us divide one physical network into multiple virtual network. Like you can think that if building 1 has their own path, building 2 also, building 3 has their own path to go to the network. So the traffic will less congestion, better security, and easier network management. So this is the reason we use VLAN. So I will show you the command for configure VLAN. Before we go to the VLAN, I want to tell you that we do config VLAN on switch here, device switch. Switch is where we config VLAN. So our task today is to create 3 VLAN for each building. For building 1, we will config VLAN 10, building 2, VLAN 20, and building 3, VLAN 30. I can note it. VLAN 10, 20, and 30. There are 3 VLAN. So before I demo the lab for you, I would like to tell you some comments first. Yeah, I use that. So command for create VLAN, we have like create VLAN. We need to go to global mode first and type command VLAN 10. So this command will create VLAN 10, and after that we name it. Name VLAN. We use command name bd1. So there's 2 commands will allow us to have VLAN 10 name building 1, and for building 2, building 3 we use the same, but take a look at it. Hold on, I will delete it first. We use this command for create VLAN on switch, but how can that VLAN work to building 1? So here we need to allow our VLAN to run to building 1. So what we gonna do next? See, look at this. From switch to building 1 we use one cable. So in the cable we will connect from port at switch to port at building 1. Imagine that if we use port here f0 slash 1 and f0 slash 1. So we need to go to this port and allow our VLAN by command I will show you now. So let's start again. Before we config, we need to go to interface f0/1 first, because we need to allow our VLAN 10 through this port. So we need to go to interface. We use command interface f0/1, and next we use command to allow our VLAN. We use command switch port mode access. After that, we need to make sure our VLAN 10 is applied. So we use command switch port access VLAN 10. Here, by this command at the interface, we will allow VLAN 10 go through the cable to use in building 1. So our building 1 will have VLAN 10 named BD1, and we can use it. For building 2 and building 3, we configure the same. So I will show you the real lab. I do it on Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's go. So we use switch to config and manage VLAN. You can go to the switch, use CLI, and firstly we need to go to global mode. So we use command enable configure terminal. So here is global mode. We will create our VLAN. Firstly, we use command VLAN 10 for create VLAN 10 and name it BD1. So that's it for VLAN 10. You can solve it. We use command solve VLAN brief. So this command let us see our VLAN that we created before. Here VLAN 10 name BD1, but we don't allow it on the port FA0/1. So we need to go to this port and allow VLAN 10. So you can go to global mode, go to interface 0/1, switch port mode access, for allow VLAN, and switch port access VLAN 10 for allow VLAN 10. So you can check it again. So VLAN brief. Here VLAN 10's name BD1 port F0/1. So here this laptop will use VLAN 10 for the traffic, and for this laptop in building 2, this laptop in building 3, we do the same. So I will show you. We go to global mode the same and type VLAN 20 name BD2, go to interface 0/2, because here we use port 0/2 for building 2, so we need to go this port. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, and for building 3 we use port 0/3. So we create VLAN first. Go to global mode, VLAN 30, name BD 3 interface F0/3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 30. We can check it. So VLAN brief. Here we have three VLAN 10, 20 and 30. For VLAN 10 name BD1 port F0/1 and BD2 VLAN 20 port 0/2 VLAN 3 port 0/3. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.